In today's tutorial, we are going to draw a 6-7 artwork. Over those months, I heard people whack out to their friends or buddies with saying this legendary facial meme of 6-7. 6-7. But what does that would exactly mean? What? You could answer me down in the comments, and let's commence our tutorial. So I've drawn out the outlines of 6 and 7, but I did not draw any of its designs in the solid layer parts right in these shapes. It's because we're gonna make it absolutely professional that we'll be coloring it without the pencil, because I do not need any of its drawing and details and lines whenever I'm gonna color them. Well, that might be unnecessary. We could use the markers or any of the art supplies you have that you're gonna color to see the designs there, and each different colors and patterns to make your 6-7 artwork look fantastic. So let's start coloring the number 6 first. And I'm gonna use the Crayola 100 Super Tip markers. And let me pick which color. We're gonna use pale pink, which is number 11. Oops. Okay. That does not absolutely stick. And we're just gonna fill in the entire number 6 shape. Let's outline first. Let's trace it first, because we don't want to accidentally color outside the lines. So now let's put those polka dots on the number 6. The 6's base color. And we will use the cherry red, which is coded as number 45, cherry red. And we're just gonna make some dots. Yep. We could overlap this base color. You guys are doing an awesome job. So now let's color the 7. And I'm going to color the 7 with stripes. So I'm gonna take 2 colors out from the marker box. So for the first stripe, I will be coloring for number 7. We'll use 81, intermediate violet. And we'll use pastel green, which is coded as number 57. So watch me first. And I'm just gonna make some stripes, but it doesn't have to be 100% perfectly aligned, of course. You can just draw it carefully by hand, and it's okay. It doesn't have to be necessarily that perfect. This is what art is about. Okay, so we use the normal thickness. And first of all, I'm just going to outline the top part of the 7. We're just gonna trace it first so we don't color outside of the edges. Okay, and yeah, I think it looks pretty abnormal. That was pretty close. Okay, so let's do it here this time. And we're gonna make the closed line angles. Okay. And we'll do it horizontally. Okay. And oops, forgot. Okay. So let's make another stripe. And in here, and we're gonna close them. Okay. And we're gonna do it in this side. Okay. And we'll do here. just as until that we get there. Because I'll keep continuing drawing my purple stripes until it shall look like this. And now let's use pastel green, and this time I'm gonna do the same pattern as what I did for purple, so I do not have to color in the purple stripes. And guess what? Who wouldn't have known? I've been exactly using Crayola 100 Super Tip mark, where there are 100 different colored markers there, and I've exactly found this color as part of the swatch list, providing us this given number. Here, the 6-7 color is steel blue. Yep, I'm going to exactly use this color, and I'm just gonna give it a mark onto my artwork. But you don't have to if it's not worth necessary for you. And it seems that we're done. Now it's the time to go out and craze your friends with this fantastic facial meme, 6-7. So thank you so much for following this tutorial. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.